Hi ladies and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a gorgeous day. Now, before I begin, I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. I just want you guys to know that I appreciate every single one of you, and I do thank you for taking the time to watch my videos. Now, in front of you, you do have the beautiful rose gold Dangle rose. Now, this Dangle charm is absolutely stunning. It's gorgeous in every way. Now, this is absolutely stunning again. This charm does retail, I believe it retailed for $75. Now, it is rose gold. And we do have some CZs on there, but they didn't overdo it. Yes, there are CZs around the bail, and the CZs are in pink tones. There are some lighter and darker pinks. Now, let's have a closer look. Here is the bail. Again, it's surrounded by pink CZs. Now, the detail in this rose is absolutely impeccable. Now, when I was looking at it on the website, at first I thought, it looks a little bit flat. But no, ladies and gents, it is not flat. It actually is 3D. And the best way I can explain that is that it's like the mushroom. It's 3D, like you actually have, like it's absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. Now, there's a beautiful, like long stem on here. Very detailed. The leaves are so detailed, it's ridiculous. It's absolutely stunning. And you can see the CZs in here. Like I said, it's a small charm, but it's actually not that small. It's size appropriate. If you guys look at the video after this one, which is a styled two-tone, which is rose gold and sterling silver bracelet that I did put together, you can see that it goes really well with the mushroom and the ladybug. Now, I'm actually so impressed with this Valentine's Day collection. I think this is the best season they've had for charms representing Valentine's Day. I think they really did go the extra mile. Now, I'm going to take it off the bracelet. So, the rose is upside down, and there's a reason for that. I just wanted to share with you guys the hallmarks. Now, the hallmarks is inside the bail, right at the bottom. Now, it does say ALEMET. I'm not sure if there's any other writing because it's rather hard to tell. Let's see if I can get really close up. It's maybe a little bit difficult. You're going to see my thumbs. Sorry about that. Now, I think that's all that's written. Oh, wait, it does say something else. It does say, it looks like a P. P11 ALE MET. I think that's what it says. If you ladies have one and you can see a little bit better than I can, that's great. Now, it's absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Now, at the back, it does say, I'm yours. And I do believe that the O is a heart. Let's have a closer look. Yep, that is a heart. How adorable. Now, again, here's a closer look at the actual stem. I love that it has the teeny weeny little leaves. And then we do have the larger leaf. The attention to detail is absolutely ridiculous. That's just amazing. It's just really realistic. It really is. And like I said, they didn't go too crazy with the CZs. There are some, but it adds to its beauty. It really does. I'm so happy to get this charm. Now, this is, again, part of the Valentine's Day collection, but this is a perfect charm for any type of romance, to be honest. It can be for Valentine's Day, it can be for an anniversary, a birthday. So this is a forever rose. And I strongly recommend purchasing this rose. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's stunning. And that's why it's going out of stock so fast. Because I think Pandora really outdid themselves. This is craftsmanship to a T. It really is. It's super stunning. And I like the fact too that the rose gold is not really a high copper content. It's that perfect shade of rose gold. Now, and this could also be worn on a Beauty and the Beast themed bracelet if you do Beauty and the Beast. So they need to redo this rose for Disney in sterling silver with the CZs. That would be fine. So again, ladies and gents, why give somebody flowers that are just going to wilt and dry out? Give them the gift that'll last forever in this beautiful, stunning rose gold dangle rose. And this charm is absolutely stunning on the rose gold T-bar bracelet because there's no clip stations. So again, if you like this video, do click like. If you wish to subscribe, I would absolutely love it. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate. And a big thank you again to all my subscribers. Now, I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, and I hope you guys have a beautiful Valentine's Day. All right, ciao for now. Thanks for watching.